The U.S. Department of Defense has released a new strategy focusing on data analytics and artificial intelligence, AI, emphasizing increased investment in AI, advanced pattern recognition, and autonomous technologies like drones. This updated blueprint builds upon an initial version from 2018, acknowledging the significant growth of AI in the defense sector. Chief Digital and AI Officer Craig Martell emphasized the potential for advanced data and AI technologies to empower decision-makers at all levels within the department. Key goals outlined in the strategy include improving datasets, enhancing infrastructure, fostering external partnerships, and overcoming internal barriers that may impede technological progress. The establishment of the Chief Digital and AI Officer position in 2021 consolidated oversight of AI and analytics initiatives, bringing together various key components. Deputy Secretary of Defense Kathleen Hicks stressed the importance of maintaining human responsibility for decisions involving lethal force, even as AI is integrated into military operations. She also acknowledged the rapid progress in AI, partly driven by the development of large language models like ChatGPT, although these programs do not yet meet departmental standards. Hicks highlighted that the Pentagon has its own AI models in use, some of which were developed prior to the popularity of models like ChatGPT. These models are trained on Pentagon data and are at various stages of maturity, with some already being tested in regular workflows. The Pentagon has identified numerous areas where AI could be applied, including analyzing battlefield assessments and summarizing datasets, even classified ones. As of early 2021, the Defense Department was involved in over 685 AI-related projects. Task Force Lima, overseen by the Chief Digital and AI Officer, was established to evaluate and guide the use of generative AI for national security purposes. This strategy release coincides with an AI summit attended by Vice President Kamala Harris in London. The Biden administration issued an executive order on AI security and privacy prior to the event. The Pentagon has requested $1.4 billion for AI in the fiscal year 2024 budget, but funding levels are currently maintained under a continuing resolution. As of early 2021, the Defense Department was involved in more than 685 AI-related ventures, with the Army leading with over 232 projects, while the Marine Corps had at least 33.